Hello, everyone. I'm so happy to be with you. I'm feeling a little better, so let's hope I stay that way. I have finished this 6-petal boho flower, and I wanted to share that with you before the end of the year. I wanted to show you how some of these turned out. The stitches, I think they're just beautiful. I think that the colors play so well together and they look like they're having so much fun. And isn't that how a bohemian piece ought to feel? You bet. And this is all done with just bits and scraps. If you've been following it from the beginning, you know that is how I put this together. And one petal at a time, one leaf at a time, and simply sewed in with a basic overcast stitch, couple of French knots here and there, running stitch here and there. Very, 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 very basic stitching. But isn't it pretty? And you can see how everything just works together so well color-wise. It's gloriously colorful. The texture is just wonderful. You would just love to run your hands over it. It's got enough little glitz in it to catch your eye, to catch light, to give it some color play. Okay. It's very full with the different leaves in the back. And the gray just makes the color just pop really well. I can just really envision this nicely framed, can't you? I think it's going to be gorgeous. I hope that some of you will try this, because this is a project that lends itself so well to you developing your style, to you doing you very well. You can pick up any combination of scraps you want. You can use any kind of thread, any color of thread you want. You can decorate each individual petal any way you want. You can decide what fabrics make good leaves any way you want. And so yours comes out to be your striking individual piece of art. Again, I think it's just beautiful. I appreciate you following me with this series. Let me get this. There you go. Let me give you one more close-up here. I know I really like to pick up a piece, if I can, and look at it close. Look at how they played with their fabric and their texture and their yarns and their threads. Look at how they chose to sew it down. I find out, nothing has to be perfect. Look at that. Just beautiful. All right, I hope that ends your year very well. It's really, it means a lot to me that I was able to finish this, because I love it and I do want to get it framed. So until the next video, I hope you're staying very scrap happy. I still have some projects here I need to finish. And that's probably what I'll be working on in the next few days, is working on finishing a few more projects that I had started here. And when I do, I'll show those and share those with you, of course. And then remember, in January, I'll be doing a collaboration series again with Marcia at Markets of Sunshine. This time our focus will be on upcycling, fashionable, closet clothing, and neither one of us has done much of that. So we're going to be learning and experimenting and doing. We will be posting our videos once a month on the last Wednesday of each month. So be sure that you remember that. Meantime, I will be posting more of my items that I'm finishing along the, hopefully I can clear most of that out in January. Looking forward to doing that. So tell me what you're doing. And also don't forget to take it easy. Recuperate from the holidays. Well, don't catch that bug that's going around that seems to be trying to jump on me really bad. And let's all stay healthy, okay? All right. Till next time, you take care.